third session of beta version LearnWithDats IoT platform. In previous video, we have learned about how the Raspberry Pi can send data to the IoT platform. Now, in this video, we are going to learn how the Raspberry Pi can read data from the server. It means that server is sending data and Raspberry Pi is reading the data. Okay, so to do so, we have a API. So just click on the API. It will route to the APIs for Raspberry Pi. And then you have to open tutorials point execute Python online. So I'll provide the link in the description. As in previous video also I have mentioned, right now I don't have Raspberry Pi to show, and also it is critical to show that how the Raspberry Pi code will catch the things. So on demo purpose, I am just showing whole thing on online compiler. So you will get a better feel about how things going on. So here we have a API for get value or Raspberry Pi using Python. So we have two options, like either you can select this, click Ctrl C, or you can download this API file and just copy that file into your Raspberry Pi. Okay, now I'm copying this code, putting it into this tool, that is nothing but the tutorials point execute Python code online, and here you need to change two things. In previous video I have mentioned one is a token number, which is very important because it shows that you are a user with IoT platform. So this token number I want to copy it, then I click here, I want to paste it. Next is variable ID. So like from which variable or from which device you want to read the data. So here I go to the dashboard, I click on the variable ID of LED device, I click on a Control C, means copying it, and here I am pasting it. Okay, now that's all. You don't have to do anything. Okay, you just click on the execute. You'll get value whether 1 or 0 or any value which is present on the server. But here we are considering it is a LED device. So for LED, either you want to turn it on or turn it off, so that we are sending value either on or off. So as recent value is a 1, means we have clicked on. Now here I click off, means I am sending 0, and considering that this code is running in while loop on the Raspberry Pi. So if I click off, system will ask, are you sure you want to turn off the device? If click on OK, it will send command as off, and here as the code running while one in the Raspberry Pi, here you will get the status 0, but as it is not Raspberry Pi, I want to hit it, execute it manually, and then here we will get the 0 value. Again I'll make it on, and okay, and then again I'll execute, I'll get 1. So in this way we can get the data from the server, or you can say IoT platform, to our Raspberry Pi. So in this way our gateway functionality is happen. So in previous video I have shown you how Raspberry Pi can send data to the IoT platform, and in this video I have shown you how to get the data from the from the server. So with this, if one is received, I can write one function here. So if data, as data is comes in a string, I want to convert into the integer. If data is 1, then print into bracket LED on or turn LED on. Else print turn off LED. So we can do these decisions. Sorry, syntax error. I can store this value into the some variable, like let's consider LED integer data LED colon else colon is needed because it's a Python structure. Turn on LED means, so this kind of decisions we can take at the Raspberry Pi at the end. So if I click on the off button and again run the same code, it is turn off LED 0. So like that we can do our functionality. So like you just need to copy our APIs into your Raspberry Pi to see the things working. You can download it, it's a free of cost, and you can utilize it. So in whole 3 sessions we have explained you all about how to send data, how to get data, and all the things related to the our beta version IoT platform. So I request you all to go to our platform, try to explore the things, try to give us comments if there are, try to give suggestions, because it's a beta version and we want to evolve every day. So I request you all to go to this platform, interface it with the Raspberry Pi, check the functionality, and work together. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day ahead.